of Adamawa State, today we are at a point where history is made. It is made because of you. It is made because you reaffirm your willingness to support the good works we have started in Adamawa State. It is made because we have reached a consensus that Adamawa State must work. It is made because we have collectively agreed that we desire a better Adamawa State that is lifted from the depths of despair to the great heights of hope. With the belief that, well, each of us will pursue our own individual dreams. We are an Adamawa family, and out of this family, each of us is at liberty to aspire to any height without any human hindrance. Welcome to the Adamawa State of our dreams. Here we decide the fate of our governance by ourselves. Fellow citizens, what we also was a flagrant display of desperation, deliberate impunity and crass opportunism, which is surrounded by a whole web of uncertainty. In the mix of all this, as your leader, I remain calm and appeal for same from you. I call for appreciatively hearken to. Once again, you have brought out our stoic and Spartan spirit as Adamawa people to bear. For this, I can't thank you enough. Thank you and thank you again. Fellow citizens, you did all this for us. You did all this for democracy. You did all this for our dear state. You did all this for the present generation and perhaps the generation yet unborn.